Introduction. In the dynamic world of construction, technology continues to shape and transform the way projects are planned, designed, and executed. Building Information Modeling (BIM) software has emerged as a game-changer in the construction industry, offering a comprehensive approach to project management and collaboration. This article explores how BIM software is revolutionizing the construction industry, its benefits, and its impact on various stages of the construction process. What is BIM software? Building Information Modeling (BIM) software is a digital representation of the physical and functional characteristics of a construction project. It integrates various aspects such as design, construction, and facility management into a single, coherent platform. BIM software allows for the creation of a 3D model that encompasses not only the geometry but also the spatial relationships, quantities, and properties of building components. Enhancing collaboration and communication. BIM software facilitates collaboration among stakeholders, including architects, engineers, contractors, and facility managers. By creating a shared, centralized platform, BIM software enables real-time collaboration, reducing errors, conflicts, and delays. Team members can work concurrently, making revisions and updates visible to everyone involved. The software's cloud-based capabilities further enhance communication and allow for remote collaboration, which is especially valuable in today's global and distributed construction projects. Improved visualization and design. One of the key advantages of BIM software is its ability to provide realistic and immersive visualizations. With 3D modeling, project stakeholders can visualize the final structure, explore different design options, and make informed decisions. This leads to improved design accuracy, reduced rework, and enhanced client satisfaction. BIM software also enables virtual walkthroughs, allowing clients and project teams to experience the space before construction begins, identifying potential issues early on and making necessary adjustments. Streamlining project management. BIM software offers powerful project management tools that streamline various construction processes. It enables efficient scheduling, resource allocation, and cost estimation, allowing project managers to optimize resources and timelines. Additionally, BIM software integrates with other software applications, such as scheduling and accounting software, facilitating seamless data transfer and minimizing manual data entry errors. Clash detection and risk mitigation. The clash detection feature in BIM software helps identify and resolve conflicts or clashes between different building systems, such as mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. By detecting clashes before construction begins, potential errors and costly rework can be avoided, resulting in significant time and cost savings. BIM software also enables risk analysis and simulation, allowing project teams to assess the impact of potential design changes, material choices, and construction methods on the project's overall performance. Enhanced facility management and lifecycle support. BIM software extends its value beyond the construction phase by providing comprehensive facility management and maintenance support. The digital model created during the design and construction phases becomes a valuable asset for facility managers. It contains critical information about building components, equipment specifications, and maintenance schedules. This information can be accessed and updated throughout the building's life cycle, improving maintenance efficiency, reducing downtime, and optimizing operational costs. Conclusion. BIM software has become an integral part of the modern construction industry, revolutionizing project management, collaboration, and design visualization. By bringing together various stakeholders and providing a unified platform for information exchange, BIM software enhances efficiency, reduces errors, and improves overall project outcomes. As the construction industry continues to evolve, embracing BIM software is essential for staying competitive, increasing productivity, and delivering successful construction projects.